Hello everyone, very good evening. Um, I am Raidu, currently working as assistant manager in one of the financial bank, financial based organization. So I have total around 4 years experience in cybersecurity. Okay, today I am going to talk to you related to cybersecurity and career opportunities in the cybersecurity. I am very glad to be part of this first episode of what program, Weekend Heuristic Alumni Talks. So I have decided to share my experience and my knowledge with my friends in the IIIT so that it can help to become a better security experts in the field. Okay. So to start the simple presentation for today, I have PowerPoint presentation will consist of around 7 slides, very less. Here my motto and um my aim is to tell you like what is cybersecurity and what are the career opportunities in the cybersecurity. Um Let me share my screen. If you have any questions, please let me know in the chat window. And we have one more question and answer session, Q&A session at the end of the session. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, please let me know if you can see my screen. Okay, I hope everybody can see my screen. So, we'll start now. So, welcome again to the Weekend Heuristic Alumni Talks program. So, today's concept is like a cybersecurity and career opportunities. Okay, so before learning or before knowing what are the career opportunities in cybersecurity, I want to tell you about what is security exactly. Like you can see in my screen, like what is cybersecurity means. Securing cyberspace is called a cybersecurity. Then what is mean by cyberspace? Very simple. Cyberspace you can say like what are the all the internet connected devices comes under the cyberspace. It's a complete global domain which contains all the internet connected devices like computers, IoT devices, or smartwatch, smart gadgets. These things. What are all the devices which are connected to the internet? That is comes under cyberspace. Securing this cyberspace is called cybersecurity. So, what is mean by exactly the security? What you are going to secure? What you are securing? So, security means protecting the information from the unauthorized hands, unauthorized people like hackers. So how you are going to secure? What are the main core pillars of cyber security? If you take any attack, any cyber security breach, those attacks or breaches circulate around these things. One of these three things. Okay, we call it a cyber CIA triad. These are the core three pillars of cyber security. Okay, in CIA triad, we have first one is confidentiality. As I said, cybersecurity means securing the cyberspace. Okay, in that these are the three pillars. These are the three main concepts we are going to secure. The first one is confidentiality. What you are securing. Confidentiality is like a ability to hide the information from unauthorized users. Like take an example of our money or gold assets, whatever our assets. In earlier days, so all our parents or grandparents used to put all the gold, all the valuable assets, valuable ornaments into the one box, and they will lock that box. In the same way, here in this cyber world, what is a valuable asset? All our data is a valuable asset. So we need to maintain the confidentiality of the data. So nobody, no unauthorized users, no hackers can have access to this our data. It's called confidentiality. Maintaining the secrecy of the information. We need to store the information very securely. So that is called we are giving the security here. It is called confidentiality. The second pillar is integrity. Integrity means ensuring that all our data is accurate and unchanged. So how can we protect this? So let's take an example. You have sent an email for your colleague or your friend saying something, inviting the party, inviting the party. So what if some hacker got access to that email in the middle and he can change that venue? So we have arranged the party in some location, but hacker changes the location address in the email. So we the hacker is able to like the hacker is here. The integrity got damaged. The integrity of message got damaged. The information got altered, modified from the unauthorized user. So in the same way, we need to protect the information. We need to protect the data so that nobody, no unauthorized user or no hacker can modify our data. That is called integrity. Okay. The next thing is availability. The name itself indicates like availability. All our sources, all our services, all the information readily accessible by the authorized persons. Let's take an example here. So we are all using Amazon and Flipkart. Okay, what if the Flipkart got attacked by hackers? So the service got stopped, interrupted. So Flipkart persons make sure that the services are available for the authorized persons 24/7. In the same way, think like you are developing software and you are providing the services to some banking industries or some other for e-commerce industries. So they are paying some money for your services. So they have some SLA, service level agreements. So if your service got interrupted for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, we are going to find this much of money, this much of amount for you. So to ensure that all our services are available 24/7 for all the authorized or legitimate users, we need to secure our infrastructure. So nobody can hack our systems, nobody can interrupt our systems, nobody can deny the services of our organization. That is called availability. So in the whole picture, we are going to protect all these three pillars in the cybersecurity. That's called overall cybersecurity. What you are doing exactly in the cybersecurity means you are protecting the confidentiality of the data, the integrity of the data, and availability. This is called complete cybersecurity. Okay, I don't want to go with the details of this concept because today's introduction session to something as a detailed talk, we need to learn some new concept of. If you are interested, really interested in learning cybersecurity, then I can help you in the future. Okay, you can contact me at any point of time. Okay, I can help you. So basically, this session is for to show you some career path. Okay. Nowadays, cybersecurity is one of the big domain, one of the buzzword, you can say, one of the promising career we have in the cybersecurity field in terms of our packages and in terms of job securities and everything. One of the best career. Okay. So let's go to that. What are the opportunities in cybersecurity field? Okay. So in my side also you can see like okay. So people are expecting 3.5 million openings by 2025. But we are in 3 years, we are going to see 3.5 million jobs related to cybersecurity field. Okay. So in India itself, expecting more than 1.5 million jobs in cybersecurity field by 2025. Lot of organizations like Google, Microsoft, and Facebook, lot of organizations implemented security training programs nowadays, and they are trying to they're going to train all the college students from the college itself related to cybersecurity concepts. Okay, so that by completing their graduation or post graduation, they are industry ready. They are able to protect their digital space like cyberspace. So not America, Australia, America, Japan, every country facing cybersecurity skill crisis. So in order to fill that cybersecurity skill gap, As I said, every organization started training college students, training their employees. Okay. So you can expect more than 3.5 million jobs by 2025 because our cyberspace got increased drastically. Let's think 10 years before. We do have only laptops, computers, and some electronic devices which are connected to the internet. Now, now, just think like how many mobiles we have 10 years back and 10 years uh, today. How many mobiles we have 10 years back and today? How many mobiles we have? How many mobile users got increased? How many internet users got increased? So if you think like that, there are a lot of devices got connected to the internet, like our IoT devices. Okay, our cyberspace got increased so that the jobs in cybersecurity also increase. So then that increase of cyberspace got uh, created a lot of skill gap. Okay. So to protect these many applications or these many systems, we need cybersecurity experts. So that's why cybersecurity is the one of the best career in future. Now also. So just think about our pandemic, this COVID pandemic. Because of this COVID pandemic, all our offices are moving to home, like people working from home, students schooling from home. Everybody moved from offices or colleges or schools to the home. So we have added our next layer of cybersecurity. We need to protect homes. So they have it through the home network. So if you are present in one area, it's very easy. Or we can protect those area one area using some other tools or any say security related products. Okay. So when the all the employees or all the students are moved to their home, our company spaces got locations got increased. Okay, we need to protect those many locations like that. Okay, so that's why we can expect more than 3.5 million jobs by 2025. Okay. So if you are interested to learn cybersecurity, so what are the best roles or what are the roles we are going to serve to protect the organizations? So there are different domains like I have in the right side of my slide: network security, application security, malware analyst, IAM analyst, digital forensics, and incident response. These are the many domains which plays key role in the cybersecurity field. Okay, so once you got to know what is cybersecurity, and after learning cybersecurity, you can decide what area I have to do. What is the area if you are interested, then you can choose that path. Every role is very much interesting and very much like adventurous. I can say like okay, if you take digital forensics, just an example. What is meant by digital forensics? So, if, let's take an example. If you did a crime using your laptop, you thought that nobody can identify me. I did uh, something from my internet. So you did, and you secretly closed your laptop and you are doing your work. While investigating, definitely you will be caught. They will do from root to the root. They will analyze by getting all your laptops or by seizing all your hard disks and everything. They will go to the digital forensic labs and they will research in that labs using different tools. So to identify the hacker, they will do digital forensics. So we have many digital forensics labs, state-sponsored digital forensics labs in India also. Okay, they will take care of all digital forensics related things. Okay, incident response. This is also one of the good career in security field. Incident response means like if any hack happen, so we need to take care of that incident. We call it as incident. That thing. So normally you will heard about ransomwares and virus, malwares, these things. So incident response people will take responsibility of those incidents and they will clear the incident and they will capture all the incident response process. So these are the different domains if you are going to work in the security field. Okay. So the next thing is how to learn cybersecurity. I'm also having this question when I started my security learning. Okay, I'm confused with not many sources available in internet or the market. So I'm suggesting you from my experience, stick to um, some proper material, okay, a proper trainer, a proper institute. Start with the basics. There are a lot of tools to learn cybersecurity, open source tools. Okay, Kali Linux is one of the best tool like the OS. We call it as Kali Linux as the hackers OS. It's one type of OS like our Windows or Linux or Ubuntu. Okay, Kali Linux is also one type of OS. You can find lot of hacking related tools in the Kali Linux. So just install the Kali Linux and open, search for some concept, whatever. If you want to try hack, how to hack Android mobile, how to hack Windows system. Okay, just search it in Google and follow the process. Before that, you need to be thorough in cybersecurity concepts. Like I said, confidentiality, integrity, availability. To protect the core pillars of the cybersecurity, okay, in background you need to learn a lot of concepts like networks, operating system, how Windows system works, how Linux operating system is working, what is a network, what is a Wi-Fi, what is a router, how Wi-Fi is working. You need to learn a lot of things related to networks, then start one by one. Okay. Once you got all the basics, then go for certifications. In certifications also, they will teach a lot of security related concepts like certified ethical hacker. This is a basic beginner level certification, certified ethical CEH, we call it CEH, basic beginner level of certification. In that also they are teaching a lot of many concepts which are useful for the beginners. So certifications will be like add-on for your career. So certifications is not compulsory, not mandatory, but it can boost up your profile. If you do any security related certification, there are a lot of certifications like CES, CISA, CSAM, okay, lot of certifications. The other opportunity is like higher studies. There are universities providing MS in cybersecurity and postgraduate programs in cybersecurity and diploma programs in cybersecurity. Just opt for one of those programs, go for 1 or 2 years programs and learn security in depth. That will add to your career also. The other thing is internship. Lot of organizations providing internship related to cybersecurity. Okay, just go search for internships and join those companies who are providing internship and learn what actually the cybersecurity is. You got an opportunity in internship. You got an opportunity to learn and see what are all tools they are using to protect information, organizational information, those things. Okay, these are uh, not limited. You can see a lot of opportunities, a lot of sources to learn security, but just a um, just a path I'm showing here. Okay, you can choose anything. The next thing is the best part of cybersecurity is earning while learning. There are a lot of organizations, lot of NGOs creating bug bounty programs. Bug bounty means let's think about you have developed on software, you have put that software into the bug bounty domain. Okay, in that saying that if anybody finds a bug in my software, I can award you like this many dollars, this many rupees for you for the bug, for the valid bugs. Okay. Bug means the vulnerability, the loophole in the software. Okay. So this gives a lot of opportunity by learning. Okay. there are a lot of applications, a lot of organizations are coming to the market saying that, hey, if you hack my system, I can give you $100. If you can hack my application, I can give you $1,000 for that. Okay, you need to follow some instructions to report that bugs. So on an average, you can see like US media in 2020, the bounty value, market value is like 223 million around. So we are expecting that 223 million to become 5,465 million by 2027. Why? Because every organization creating their own applications. Are a lot of organizations coming nowadays. A lot of startups. Okay, they are all creating their applications as they are challenging the security researchers. If you can find the bug in my application, I can give you $100. So increasing cyberspace creating a lot of opportunities while learning for earning also. So if you are interested in bug bounty programs also, it's very open and free. No need to pay anybody any money. Instead, they are giving back some money for you for identifying the bugs. Okay, this is one of the best opportunity in security field. Um, the final what I have, Robert said, like if you know cybersecurity, then you have a job for life. This is very true because so many friends, our friends after the graduation, they will go for coding classes like Java, learning C, learning Python. That's not wrong. That's also good. But if you know the security, cyber security, then you have a job for life because very less current scenario, very less number of students or very less professionals are trying to learn and work in security field. So if you can try security, then definitely you should have uh, a promising career in future. Okay, that's what Robert said. I want to quote here. Um, I want to stop here my session. So if you have any questions, I'm ready to take the questions. Okay. So if you have any questions related to how to start my career in security field, how to learn security, is programming necessary? Somebody is asking like coding is necessary to become a security expert. The answer is yes and no. Okay. Programming is not mandatory to become a security expert. If you know the programming, that will be add-on. It will be one step ahead for the all other candidates. Okay, there are a lot of opportunities in the market. One is tool-based jobs and developer-related jobs. So not only in cybersecurity, if you take any field, all the tool-based jobs not required a proper in-depth knowledge. If you know how the tool works and how to operate the tool, then that's enough. You can work and um, lead your life. So if you come to the developers, those are the creating applications, and for them, yes, programming knowledge is required. In security also, let's if you are become an IAM analyst. So IAM analyst in the IAM, you need to take care of identity and access management. So I will come to the question in the chat. Before that, I want to clear this IAM. Okay, if you are put into the IAM role, IAM means identity and access management. So it's like gathering all the information, like identity of your associates. Like in our college, everybody have their ID cards, right? So ID card is your identity. Whenever you are entering to the college premises, security guard will check. Do you have ID card? What year you have belong to? So do you have access to this mechanical engineering department or not? So if you are not authorized into entering into the mechanical department, then you are don't enter. So you have, as a civil engineering student, you are authorized to enter into the civil engineering department only. So the identity and access management analyst or engineer will take care of all these things. What are the identity of the associate? What type of access he have? When the what type of and when he have access? These things they will take care of. They will work from the tools, or they will create some operation like that. That is the job of identity and access management analyst. Okay. So for that, coding is not necessary. You are not developing any identity and access management tool. You are just using one tool developed by some other security organization, security vendor. You are using that tool. So if you learn security programming, that will be very good for your career in cybersecurity. Like you can hunt for bugs, you can write a malware, you can hack any systems using your coding knowledge. Okay. I prefer Python for security. Python for security is one of the best course we have in the domain. Okay, security domain. You can go for that and try to learn Python for security. Okay. The next question is, what is the average salary for a security engineer in India? So the beginner average salary you can think like around 6 to 10 lakhs, in between 6 to 10 per annum. Okay. If you are experienced, definitely you will get more than that. Can you explain what are the opportunities, jobs, works, etc. in IT and software fields? So, complete presentation we have discussed about cybersecurity. If you want the software jobs, we have many software jobs. Okay. If you want to know particularly related to cybersecurity field, just learn and explore it. You have plenty of jobs. Okay. Never afraid of getting job in cybersecurity. Okay. The next question suggests for technical to inside. Yeah, I'm discussing technical student. Okay, don't afraid of cybersecurity and programming these things. Don't think like I need to learn programming to become a cybersecurity expert. You just need to understand the basics of cybersecurity. Okay, what are the cybersecurity concepts? What is network? How network is working? What is my perimeter? What is firewall? What is IDS and IPS? Okay, IPS means the intrusion prevention systems. If any intrusion is coming to into your network, if somebody is trying to hack into your systems, you need to protect and you need to restrict them by entering into your company premises. That is called network security. So just learn security. Definitely, any non-technical students also can have the opportunity to get a job. You just need to understand the security concept clearly. Okay. The next question: what is the ratio number of developers and number of security engineers? Um, number of developers and see here, development and security is two different concepts. So if you have a requirement for developing one application, you can hire the developers. If you are considering security of the application, you need to hire a security engineer also in the same process. If you have one developer on security, nowadays some organizations are teaching security concepts to their developers because to develop any application it will take a lot of time. So after developing, they will send the application to the security testing. So once the security testing is completed, then only they can release the application into the market, application into the live. If they find any bugs or any loopholes in the software, they will send it to the developers. So to decrease this gap, nowadays all the organizations or few companies, not all the organizations, few companies are trying to teach security concepts to the developer so that in the initial stage only they can develop the application in secure manner. Okay, you cannot compare like developers and security engineers are both. Could you please let me know the best course to learn cybersecurity in good manner? So there are a lot of courses in the market. Better to start with the CE certification, okay, Certified Ethical Hacker Certification, because it covers all the basic domains and good knowledge. Then you can prepare any network related certification, okay, CCNP and Cisco. Cisco is providing a lot of certifications regarding to the networks. Go for network related certification, learn security concept thoroughly in the networks, then come to the cyber security. Okay. So just I will provide my email to the team. Email me. I will try to give some more best sources to learn security to start the security career. Okay, don't worry. So
Can you continue?
sorry, somebody is saying I can't call it. Clear.
Thank you, sir, for your seminar on cybersecurity. And you made our day with your seminar, sir. We are hoping for your presence in future also, sir.
No problem. Thank you, and I will be available anytime. You can contact me to my number or email. I can help you for learning security. Okay, cyber security. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, again, thank you all. I'm happy to be part of this first episode of WART program. I wish you very all the best for the future talks. And thank you. Bye bye.